Hi, this is Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic. Today I want to talk to you about how to restore the cervical curve in your neck. This is called the arc of life. This is so important because this helps facilitate the communication from your brain through your spinal cord into your entire body for natural health and healing. When you look at the spine, you have to have a 45-degree curve in your neck. Now most people, they have a loss of that curve, which looks like this. So if you've ever looked at yourself or someone in the mirror and you see your head's forward like this, that actually means you're losing the curve in your neck. And so what that's doing, it's putting abnormal pathological tension on your spinal cord, causing it to thin and degenerate. It's putting excess pressure on your brainstem and your autonomic nervous system, and it's also creating constant nerve stress on the nerves going into muscles of your neck, upper back, nerves right down into your arms, into the heart and the lungs, the thyroid, the eyes, ears, nose, throat, and all the oxygen and blood flow to the brain. So this cervical curve is extremely important. And a loss of this curve will also cause spinal degeneration and other neurological issues in those organs that I just mentioned. So one thing to do to help with this is actually to be able to regenerate the discs and help restore that normal curve in your neck. So I'm going to show you a simple exercise that you can do at home to help this process, along with spinal corrective care from a qualified chiropractor. So this here is a very special device that we use to help with regeneration of the discs of the neck and to also help restore the normal curve of the neck. So very simple, what you do is you take this here and you put it down at the base of your neck. You want to pull down just slightly, maybe 2 pounds of pressure, and extend your chin straight up. So what that looks like from the side is pull down slightly, pull the chin straight up, and then let release and look forward. Up, release, and look forward. Up, release, and look forward. What that does is it actually lets go of the tension in the lower part of your neck to get the tension off the spinal cord there, and also the discs that are in between each one of the bones of your neck. It allows that disc to actually pump and decrease. Think of it like a vacuum. Every time you do this, you're actually bringing that disc in, which is taking the pressure off the nerves, taking the pressure off the spinal cord there. You want to do about 100 of these per day. You could break that up into different sets, 25 times, 25 4 times. Very importantly, you're doing this on a regular basis because motion is what brings life to the spine, to the discs, and to the nerves. Without motion, if your head is stuck, most people are stuck like this because you're spending too much time on phones, devices, computers. Incorporate this stretch. If you don't want to have one of these, you can use a small rolled up towel to be able to do the same thing. And make sure always that you're doing these exercises in conjunction with spinal corrective care. So you must have the proper evaluations, x-rays of the spine to determine if you do have subluxation, any misalignments that is affecting joint and nerve function, and that you're getting regular chiropractic care to restore that function, restore the alignment, and you're getting updated x-rays to show that correction to make sure that you're healing the problem. So make sure if you haven't had updated x-rays that you're finding and seeing a corrective care chiropractor on a regular basis. If you need some help with that, make sure that you're checking the resources here below. If you want to learn more about natural healthy solutions, make sure that you subscribe to this video and share this with other people so we can start changing health in the community with natural, drug-free solutions. I'm Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic. Thanks for joining us.